Hey guys, it's me Prasad with Patagia Indian Consumer, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a review of the JBL portable speakers. These are the JBL Charge Stealth. Now online you will see JBL Shadow and JBL Stealth. So the pictures are jumbled up here and there on various websites, so be very careful. The one I'm unboxing here is JBL Stealth, and if you see a Stealth picture and if you get a Shadow, don't be surprised because people out there have jumbled it up. So now quickly taking a look at the box. These are the Bluetooth speakers. The charging time taken by these speakers is 3.5 hours. It gives a 12-hour playback. It has a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and they also have LED indicators. I bought it from a local store, and you can get it in around 5500 to 6500 range. Anywhere around that range is a nice buy. So now for the thing that you see here, the black colored thing is the casing that you get along with the speakers. This is the charger, which has nice JBL branding on it. These are the charging pins. You'll get the Indian type of pins to fit in those. So let's take a look at the cover. So again you see JBL branding there. Nice orange color piping on the black colored material, and a nice orange color material from the inside. This complete case is very soft to touch. These are some instruction safety manuals along with some other documentation. These are the pins which fit into the charger, which I was talking about. So here is the Indian type pin, and that's how they fit. Here is the charging cable. Everything seems to be of a very premium quality. Let's take a look at the speaker itself now. Guys, I have one more such speaker with me, and I'm using it from the past 1 year, and it has been turned out to be very nice. The portable speaker category, I think this is the leader right now, and that's the main reason I purchased another speaker after a year. So that can give you an idea how good the quality is. The sound output, everything on this, the portability, the battery life, everything is very nice. You see the rubberized pads down here. The complete body is rubberized. Auxiliary port here, so you can either play songs using Bluetooth or auxiliary port. Now I'll quickly give you an idea how they sound. I'll quickly show you how to connect the device with the speaker. One simple press, and there you see it has started. I'll quickly turn on the Bluetooth on my mobile device, and here you see JBL Charge already been detected and synced, connected to media audio. Here you see it. Okay, I'll quickly play a song, and of course I'll have to play a song which won't raise a copyright issue with YouTube, because they have already blocked many of my videos because of copyright issues. So single press switches it off. That's how easily you can operate it. Well guys, you might have got an idea. Now these speakers are available in various colors, and the price may vary according to the colors. Now depending on the portability, sound quality, build quality, battery life, connectivity, branding, I've rated them a 9 on 10. Thank you. Guys, if you like my videos, you can click on the button that you see on the screen and subscribe to my channel. Your subscriptions will encourage me to make such more videos. If you want me to keep making such more videos, please do subscribe, like, and also comment on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.